I'm Brian Prutkin. For many years I was scared to come to dentists. I finally made a decision to come in and see what my options were. Self-esteem for sure. I haven't been able to eat the things I wanted to eat. I've been waking up with tooth pain, which started headaches, and my friends want to go out, and I don't even want to be a part of that anymore. I know I'm going to be healthier and feel better about myself. This is where I felt the most comfortable. I felt comfortable with everyone in the office. Just walking in the door and people being friendly. The dentist gave me a lot of his time before he knew if I was even going to come here. And I said, look, if I'm going to do this, I got to make a move. And I really think that this procedure is going to help me with every area of my life. So that's why I'm doing it.